In today's lesson, we'll be playing the song Come On Tigers to practice our intervallic reading at C position and playing hands together. Let's get started. Here's the hand position for this song. Our right hand finger number 1 starts on middle C, and our left hand finger number 5 starts on low C. Take a second with your parents to make sure that your hands are in the correct position, C position. When you're ready, let's take a look at these first two measures. We start with our right hand finger number 1 on middle C, and we take steps up to our finger number 5. We will play our finger number 5 twice. Take a moment to review this section first, and when we're all ready, let's play this together. Parents, I'll be playing each note for 1 count. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing job! If you'd like to repeat that step, feel free to go back and do so. Otherwise, let's move on to these last two measures. In these two measures, we play our right hand and left hand notes at the same time. Let's break it down first and take a look at our right hand only. From where we left off, we play our right hand finger number 5 again, and then we go down in steps back to our finger number 1 on middle C. We will play our middle C note twice. Take a second to practice this section first with your parents, right hand only. Once you have that down, let's take a look at our left hand now. We start with our left hand finger number 1, and then we go down in steps to our finger number 5 on low C. We will play our low C note twice. Again, take a second to practice this section now, playing just your left hand notes. Parents, you want to make sure they keep their hands steady. When you're all ready, let's play. I'll be playing the notes together at the same time so you know what that looks and sounds like. I'll also be playing each note for 1 count. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! Feel free to repeat that last step to practice playing hands together. Otherwise, we're done with our song for the week. Parents, to help your child practice, remember to break down the song into sections first like we did in this video, and then gradually piece them together. To practice the hands together section, I recommend breaking it down like we did in this video as well. Play right hand only a few times, then left hand only, and then when you're ready, slowly piece them together. And of course, a reminder to annotate your music when necessary and use the finger numbers diagram as a reference. Happy practicing!